I knew this team Medivisor last year when they went up to Papua New Guinea, and they launched a health awareness program, doing some checkups, and I went with a patient to check. He's got problem with his eyes. He cannot see, almost nearly blind. Everything was set through Medivisor team. They did a surgery, and then the patient is slowly recovering, and we are very happy. Everything was carried out by the Medivisor team. It was very lovely, and we felt like they were our own family members. My name is Amaruli Bryans. I'm from Papua New Guinea. I came to India with a patient, but I knew this team Medivisor last year when they went up to Papua New Guinea, and they launched a health awareness program, doing some checkups, and I went with a patient to check. He's got problem with his eyes. He cannot see, almost nearly blind. So we met them. They were very loving people. So we made an appointment, and we said to come and visit the hospital here in India. And ticket, everything was set, prepared for us. They made it very easy. We came to New Delhi. When we came out from the terminal, the Medivisor team were already there. They met us, they gave us the flower. Man, it was very lovely. And we felt like they were our own family members. So caring. So they took us straight from the airport to the hotel. We took a rest for a night, and then the very next day they organized everything. We went straight to the hospital, first to the sharp side hospital for the eyes. Everything was set through Medivisor team. These people were very openly, very caring and loving people. They took us straight, made an appointment, made it possible for us. We went straight to see the doctors. From all aspects of problem with the eye, everything we went through. It's not just like only one, in PNG we don't have lots of doctors, but in India, man, you go through everything. And then they confirm what is really wrong with the patient. He's got problem with his optic nerve, but then the neurologist said, no, it's not the optic nerve, it's the pituitary gland. So they referred us to the brain doctor. So we went straight, confirmed everything. It is through the Medivisor team. So they bring us straight to see the doctors, and then they confirm. It's not just go straight to one doctor and then that's it, you get medication. No, they have to really confirm, because it's your health and it's your life. Properly checked and done. And then we went back to the big hospital, Max. We went through seeing all the doctors. They collect the blood samples, everything, the test was done. And the patient went through MRI scan to confirm whether the problem with his eye itself or the brain. So when we took the test, everything was carried out by the Medivisor team. So they directed us, guided us all through. And then after the test, the doctors confirmed that the patient's problem from his eyes is not just an optic nerve, but it's the problem with his brain, the pituitary gland. Because of the fluid, there's a fluid in his brain that is really high pressure that is causing the nerve to become very small. That's why the blood is not flowing through, and that is the cause of his blindness. So they suggested us to go through a surgery. So yes, they did everything, and then the patient is about to recover, is slowly recovering, and we are very happy. So if you can, please come along. Medivisor team are very helpful, and they are willing yet to help all of us, So with that, I want to really thank the Medivisor team from the bottom of my heart, because the way they treat us, everything was just run smoothly. So yes, if we have a lot of problem, I know we do have the contact in PNG. There's a team member in PNG, so we can look for more information. If you have any interested, whatever question to ask, we are all here to help, and we will guide you to come to Medivisor, and you can get your treatment here. It's not just for eye, it's everything here. If you have any health issue, please don't wait until it's too late. You have to make it early because they are here to help you.